Stay on. About to go to hyper, champion style, and while I'm playing Street Fighter 2, champion edition. Those wanna come through, bitches, get by you with the blue band pippin'. When he went to the magic, but I'm tripping and I'm fighting myself and tripping too. About to sit down, uppercut is two. Still recording no Hadoukens, kick your child, oh you threw him. Fuck you, another Hadouken, I'm about to uppercut you. What you missed, that's why I punch you, bitch. And you stunned, I uppercut your shit. And you going off to the side, dad, with the fucking uppercut ride, dragon punch. And that beat came out, I'm gonna drag my lunch. I need a ginger ale, that's what I drink all day. Yo, your bitch is frail. I split the bitch in half with the pail. With the pole, I mean, I impaled her. She was like the coldest dream. When I wetted her up, she was like, oh my god, yo, you leverage such. So I gotta uppercut this nigga one more again. Like this, oh shit, he blocked it. Keep throwing Hadoukens up my drop kick. Fuck out of you, bitch. Fuck your Hadoukens. Stop throwing them. Stop to jump on. And he kicked me. I'm throwing them. He's kicking me again. Fuck you. And I'm uppercut you in your face. Oh, freestyle every day. Get the potato. 55 seconds left with the KO. Hell yeah, time vital. Check the bonus. And I get big feet like Sabonis. Put them in your mouth, nah, that's you. Who the fuck about to fight E Honda? 100 slap dapper. Hell yeah, looking mad dapper. Jackie Chan, action figures. When you see the nigga in the back with that red chick, I'm about to win the match. Hell yeah. It's been, you fucked my perfect up. Now I'm about to fuck your turn up. This ain't awesome, this is E Honda. Jump right into that, get uppercutted with the fonts. Oh no, I didn't mean to do it, but I kicked it right in his stomach. Check his red on, oh shit, it covered it. He had the red undies out his government. I told you, yo, we got those orange. Fuck it. Nothing rhymes with orange but door hinge and Jordans. I bought more than. Stop fucking punching me before I can get you. Turn to lunch meat. Hadouken, playing second 6-bit. What? Oh shit, my battery's about to die. Birthday is the 8th of July. Hell yeah, give me any MC at 8 of alive. From 11 to 5, 7-Eleven, 100,098 times. And I'm about to fight longer. Fuck that, niggas get harder than a Tonka truck. I got lots of luck, nigga, ass Tom Thug. He skated up with Monopoly money. I'm like, shit, he's fighting me, buddy. I gotta break up. You about to, fuck you. Go ahead, do it. Boom, boom. Fuck, that's the first slice, it's gonna be the only one. Fuck that. I got one son, it's like I got a daughter, she's the only one. No other kids, got 2 of them, a matter of fact. If you wanna go, yeah, get hit with the back with a fireball. You tried to shot me, nigga, nah. You about to get kicked though. Niggas make disco tracks, ass Donnie Rhombus. And niggas, no. You can't kick upon us. I'm mad Indian like Pocahontas. I smoke a lot of piff in my stomach and lungs. You smoke shit like Grand Apple. That's drown as fuck. Check Dracula status, you niggas biting off the medium rare, huh? Yeah, you ain't hit me with that. About to kick you with that and miss me with that. You still recording and it didn't die. Hoes wanna keep going till the end of time. What's the end of time? It's 43 seconds, call them all. Then I gotta go from an olive like a wahoo. That's in Hawaii too, but he's Samoan like Hawaii 5-0. Fuck that, get that too. No, you about to block it with your tooth, cause I hate when you bite the shit. Back, I'm trying to get to a bicycle. You could jump on that, get on this bitch. Fuck, instinct. Oh shit, I'm about to lose again. Oh shit, kill your friends. I'm about to lose my friends. I fucking did it. I fucking hate him. He's not the shiznit. Go ahead, throw it, bitch. I'm gonna have more wins than you and your door hinge when I kick down your door. Oh shit, press this on. Hell yeah, about to get it from the piss on. But I put it in drive and keep the blue headband. Hell yeah, spin it better than the red band. Nice Reggie Noble, I'm too noble for that. Shout outs to Noble, that's my cat. Used to go way back to NVH. Hell yeah, and Jack's getting in the city dates and shit. And you electrocuted me! Fuck you and Bill Bellamy and your mom. Guarantee she's not bomb. Probably slob, get up and cut it like that. You gonna catch another one, Jack. Right in the back of your dome. Assless attacks and bars. And war carrots, gat drags, and stars. And Keith. The niggas look alike. I was about to say some other shit, but I ain't snitching. Fuck channel. About to hit you right. With the camera. Taking pictures in the background. What the fuck you doing? Get smacked down. Hell, get you black clown. I meant to say a white clown, but the R came out wrong. Hell yeah, niggas gone. How long I've been going? Niggas don't care. Look at his eye game. Knocked it out of high frame. I'm about to hit it with all kicks. 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh shit, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now I hop to the side. Hit it 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. No, keep recording. The other one cut off. I'm not rocking Jordans. I'm barefooted. Check the size. Hell yeah, rocking 20s in the winter time. Fuck it, suck my cock. And I'm about to get gal dropped like 6 o'clock, but it's like 4 o'clock. You ain't double sweeping shit. I can sweep you twice, you little filthy bitch. No sonic bullets get thrown, then you get blown. Motherfucking perfect. Hell yeah, this nigga wasn't worth it. You see the jet in the back and couldn't surface with me, cause I'm too high. Check the guy, 8th of July. Fucking said it already, but niggas could drive. I'm on Beverly Drive like motherfucking hills. Hell yeah, Bills. The illest nigga spitting alive. Then I gotta come, get in that pie, so you get smacked. And I like the difficulties up, no Kit Kats. This nigga broke me off a piece of that kick. Fuck you, and I'm about to punch you, but you block it. And you kicking me off it, and I punch you through blocks, bitch. Hell yeah, face the consequence. You ain't shit, gal. Fuck you where you came from, shit. He's from the USA. I can't say that, but I can say that I say shit flat. I can't sing well, bust your fucking nose up like Maxwell. Yo, somebody's watching me. Shout outs to Dre now on the beat. Backwards to an artist, what his name is, no Kendrick Lamar. In the studio, I said I'm friends with Jafar. About to fight kid from afar. About to throw Hadoukens all day. When I jump at him, he uppercutting, but I punch him like that. One more, then I'm jumping and jacking. But he's kicking me with anti-air game. But I'm about to punch him in his ear hole, earlobe. Hell yeah, oh shit, about 100 years old. That's how I spit longevity. Fuck that, those keep telling me I need credit, not to play melody. But I can't swoop him from that far back. But I can uppercut him, get him like that. Through the barrel, oh shit, through the barrel. I almost missed him uppercut Daryl. That nigga retarded as fuck at work. He was like, hey Rad, what you doing, huh? I'm like, man, I'm chillin', get the fuck away from me. Go to the bakery or something, stop the shelves. Ah shit, I got lots of F left. You ain't about to take no more. After that, you little code whore. I meant to say coke whore. That's all Mean Girls. You still recording, little free girl? This shit ain't going for free, girl. I'm about to punch you in your teeth, kid. You ain't my next to sit. Next to kid, you should have gone, but you did sit by punching me. Keep throwing these shits, but I'm cutting you too far away. And I don't know, I blocked that cause you're very gay. I win the match like every day, except Blanco, cause he fucking kicked me back to motherfucking Tonka truck days. 96 and 97, 93. I don't know when the thing came out, let me check the case. 19 something. I don't feel like looking for it. Oh, guess who the fuck it is? Consequently, incident. Nope, I meant to say coincident, but I joke. But she about to get all of this in her tropes. About to fucking get it. Bah! Oh shit! That's the good kick. I recover quick, and you stun, though. Oh, yeah. Bow! Hell yeah, into your head. That's the end of your career, cause I win every day, dear. Hell yeah, let's get it clear, stay clear of those gay queers on the bike, in the back like China White. That's what we fighting right now, I'm kinda light, cause I know my shit, and I can't fight in the corner with this bitch, cause she will kick. And these niggas on the bike ain't shit, when they come through, chickens is clucking, mad cock and discussion, hell yeah ho, oh no, when you about to get hit with this fireball, wow! Hell yeah, Cameron didn't die yet. What? That's rap best flowing down the flight of steps. I do the ill shits and chili high Ike Neffs. That's what they told me. Hell yeah, I was from the north side though. Sad homies, not even. I'm about to break these bricks down like people. Motherfuckers in the jacks couldn't beat them. When they ask me, they defeat them. They get defeated out there. That's what I say when I get to the screen. When I jump off of mid-air, that's the glitch game. Niggas couldn't do the kick weird, cause I'm Nick Kane. Not even Luke. Mortal Kombat speaking the truth. Hell yeah, but I was talking about that true crime of PA. Hell yeah, Pittsburgh DJs wanna play it on replay. ESPN. And the beat comes back in. Who the fuck around about to fight Last Dragon? Zangief from Mother Russia. He don't say it in this game, little motherfucker. So I gotta fight him anyway. Ill soundtrack, but I'm about to punch him in his back when I jump over him. I couldn't get it, he's an ovary. So I over discussed the bullshit and I punched him with a little kick. Bye, bye, bye. Oh, he blocked it and he fucking dropped it. But guess what? He's blocked. Oh no! Twice. I can't fight right now, but you get cheats. How we doing all week? It's the end of weeks. Friday. Hell yeah, Friday day. My last day was Thursday. Still, hey, the G's last Thursdays on my bed too. That's what I said, boo. But you can get the lead pipe when you blow the red lights. You know what that means, bitches on the period and be punctual with punctuation. I can't do that